GM Legends. Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating another massive win on Thena. We've just hit our fourth take profit target, and we're looking at an easy plus 25% move. The charts are showing that our bullish support and range zone calls were perfectly spotted, leading to a strong move up. Thena is a leading DEX on the BNB chain, and we caught this breakout just as the volume was coming in. This is the kind of accuracy that pays off. Now, you can see from our charts that the price is currently retesting a key resistance level. If it consolidates here, we could be looking at the next leg up. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.